Hi y'all, just doing a real quick video. I'm making breakfast. We're dealing with the coronavirus and it is like what everyone is saying. I pray everyone is doing well and that everything is fine. And with prayer, I know God's taking care of us and everything's going to work out. But I wanted to just kind of take you on the journey with me of what I'm doing. So here's the thing. The kids are going to be off from school, so I still want to sleep in, so I like to get things ready in advance. So here's kind of the setup that I have. This right here is a small crock pot. I have a 3 crock pot where there's three of them, 3 slow cookers in there. It's called a triple slow cooker. So I have that. Here's one of them here, and what I have in here is some grits that I make in advance. I love doing that. It's simple, it's easy, and then I will have made breakfast. My hands are clean. I will have made breakfast before I wake up, which is nice. So I have grits in here. It's just basically 4 ingredients. It's grits, salt, water, and then butter. Before I put the butter in, I go ahead and I mix it on up. So anyway, here I have some bacon that I went ahead and cooked inside the oven. I broke it up into half pieces. And I wrapped it in foil. This is really important. If you like your bacon crispy, do not wrap it in plastic. It'll make it so that your bacon is very limp. That's why I have it wrapped in plastic. This is how it'll look inside of the refrigerator. And then right here, I did a sheet of eggs. So I just cooked 18 eggs on a sheet. And then I went ahead and I cut it into 6 pieces so I could be able to fit into this bag. And I cut it so that there's actually 2 of them in here. So you can be able to see it. There's 2 of them. See, 1, 2. There's 2 of them in there. So anyway, I just used a whole sheet pan. It kind of fits the size of my oven. And I went ahead and cut it into 6 pieces, and I did 2 per bag. And then I went ahead and dated it, so I have 5 days to eat it, so I went ahead and dated it. So anyway, this is just, I always like to bring you guys along. Normally I do lunches, but I figure I'd bring you guys along for this as well. So as when the kids wake up, I put in there, hi family, grits and crock pot. Please leave some for all of us. Because we have, they're growing, so they eat a lot. So I wanted them to not just, I have other stuff for them that they can be able to eat inside the fridge if they want something else. But I have breakfast for them. Hi family, grits in the crock. Please leave some for all of us. Eggs in fridge, by bacon, wrapped in foil. Enjoy. Love ya. Love you all. There it says love you all. So anyway, I'm just gonna leave it on here. This right here is my baby right here. I love this. This is my canner. It's a 30 quart. Oh, it's so great. I have a bunch of chicken in there right now. Roughly how much would I say? 5, 10, 15, 20, maybe around 20 pounds in here. It kicks. I love that thing. So anyway, some chicken breasts. So anyway, this is just a quick breakfast that, not quick, but just showing, bringing you along. When I cooked the bacon, I cooked a whole bunch of it inside of the oven, so that I can be able to have it throughout the week and I can just easily grab it. This right here can last me for 3 days. It depends. If the little ones want more, I have more eggs in the fridge too, so they can have some. So the only thing I don't want them to pick out too much on is the grits. They're still going to be able to get a whole bunch of us, because there's 9 of us in total in here. So they can eat as much as they'd like to eat. Yeah. So I have more bacon in here. I have one here, and then another one there, and then I have another one inside the fridge. Actually, there's a whole bunch of bacon in there. And then I have 2 more bags of these in there so they can get as much as they want. So anyway, I'm rambling. I apologize. It's late. Yeah, it's real late. So anyway, this is going to be our breakfast for tomorrow. And while they're eating, I will be sleeping, which is great. So them being home is not going to cause any problems at all, because I will still be able to get my sleep and sleep in. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless.